Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today problem is longest palindrome. So given a string which consists of lowercase or uppercase letters, find the length of the longest palindrome that can be built with those letters. This is a case sensitive. For example, small a and capital A is not same, is a case sensitive. So we can't say it is a palindrome. So note that assume that the length of the string will not exceed 1010. So in this example we have a string a b c c c d d. If we try to construct a biggest palindrome, then which is comes out to be d c c a c c d of max length is 7. How we will solve this problem? So this kind of problem will easily be solvable. Just count the frequency of each character. So let's understand, it's over here. So let's say we have a string a b b b c c c d d. So if we count the frequency of each character, let's say a is occurs 3 times, b occurs 3 times, c occurs 4 times, and d occurs 2 times. So what we can do, for all the even occurrence we will take all of them, while for the odd occurrence we have to take only the. So the palindrome can be formed in 2 ways, like all the characters are even occurrence, or all are all even and one character is with odd occurrence. So that odd occurrence we can add into the center of the string, which is middle of the string. So like let's say we have a only, so we can form a. Let's change this a to b. If we have a b, we can form one palindrome with length 3 here like this. And if we have a b b, then we can form the palindrome like a b b a. So this is also another palindrome. So but if we have a and b b b 3 times, then we can only pick, like we can pick 2 a's and then surround b like this. So this is how, and or we can also create like b a v a v. This is also another palindrome, but both of them is the longest and the length is 5. So this is the approach 1. So for solving this, first we can use a map, hash map, and count the frequency of each character, and then just pick all the characters of even length, and the, like if it is a odd, then we will take 2 of them out of 2, and from here also we will take the 2, and then we will check the, keep a one variable, like if odd occurrence, then we plus in the end 1 counts. But let's solve it in different way here. What we will do, we will use a HashSet here. So every time when we get the character, so we will process all the character y in our string. So let's implement directly. I will explain in the implementation itself. It's not that complex problem. So first we will take a set of character. So define the set, and then we iterate all the characters c in our s dot to char array. Let's make it a character array. Then we will iterate through. We will check if set contains, like set contains already one c, which means we have one character which is same as this current c, and we found another. So this is count of that character is becomes 2. So we will add. So let's define a count len, which is our longest length of the palindrome. So we will add len 2 into the our len, and also remove this character from the set, because we already consider in our len. Remove the current character from the. Otherwise, second case what can happen, the character is not in the present in set, then we will add that character into the sets. So that's it. And in the end we just need to check the odd occurrence. So that odd occurrence we will consider, like if there any character which is odd occurrence, which will be into our set. So we will check if set of size is greater than 0, which means we need to return len plus 1, otherwise we just return the len. So this is the simplest implementation. So how this work, let's go through this example. So here let's this example a b b b and CC only 2 times. So, first we will get A we will add into set A, then A into our set, and len will be here 0. Now, we got another A, then our set become empty, and len will become 2. Now, we got another A, so our set will contain A, and len is still 2, and then we got B. So, we have A B and len is still 2. Next, we got another B. So, set will become A only and len will become 4. Now, set will have A and B and len is 4. Now, we got another character A, B and C and len is 4 still. Now, we got another C. So, we will remove C from set and len will become 6. So, here is our len become 6, but the set size is greater than 0 in the end. So, we will return len plus 1, which is 7. So, the 7 is the max len palindrome construct with this string. So, this is how the try run. So, let us compile our code here. So, s dot to char array cannot find the symbol. So, it is to char array, it should be to char s dot to char array only. Yeah, this method should to char. Oh, it's 3R, so it's fine now. Let's compile again, and it's working. Let's submit the code. It is accepted. The time complexity of the solution is O of n. Just we are processing all the character of our string, and the space complexity is at max the number of unique, basically odd number of odd characters. So, thank you. If you like my solution, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.